Hello YouTube, hope you are doing well. Today I am here to show you how to create a Facebook page. Open your Facebook. When you open your Facebook account, simply go to Explore menu. In this menu you see a option of pages. Click on them. When you click on them, in the upper right corner you see a create page option. Open it. Okay. Facebook demands that if you want to create a business or brand page, then get started from it. And if you want to community or public figure page, then click on this. I make a page on business or brand, so I get started. Okay, now it's required the page name. Select a page name which you want. I write up my Facebook page on videos. So I write videos in my page name. Okay, then select add a category and describe your page. So write a short description of your page to what you do on your page. I write a description. I upload my YouTube channel videos. Oh no, this means that you from what purpose you want this page. Okay, I select a video creator. Select video creator, then press on continue. It takes some time to creating a page. Okay, page is created. Now you can select a image for your page. If you want any image, click on them. Otherwise, you can also skip this. Now it's one cover photo. If you have any cover photo for your page, you can upload from this. Otherwise, you skip it also. Okay, the Facebook page has been created. So now you have to promote. If you want to promote your page, click on this. You can promote your page by website visitor, get more leads, promote your page. You can also upload your live videos by this way, and you also, if you have any created videos, you can check from this. If your page have any events, you can check from this way. And if you have any shop of your page, shop section listing products for sale, if you want this page as a shop, you can check from this. Here you can also see the all posts which you are upload on your page. Now click on about. About it is the detail of your Facebook page. In community, you see a Facebook group, a build a community around your page. Okay? What the community are around your page. In photos, you can see all your uploaded photos on your page. Here you see in the upper bar, you see your page inbox. Okay, if someone sends you a message, it will appear in this. And Creator Studio, yeah, this is the inbox for your page. In Creator Studio, you see the create You can create your Facebook page things. Okay, you can see get start. If you get started, you upload multiple video at same time. Here's the notification on your Facebook page. Inside, basically Facebook page is and we can also say that Facebook page is a Facebook account because everything are separate in the page menu. You can see ad center if your page have any ad if you want to sell anything or advertisement your ad will appear at ad center. You can also check the page quality publishing tools. If you want to edit page info you can select this you can also yeah, set your Facebook page. Here you can see message comparison tab, post attributes, notification page roles, everything. If you want to link your Facebook page with Instagram, you can also do it by this way. Here you see our Instagram option, page support inbox, page management history, branding, branded contents, authorization, everything are available in this menu. If you want any help from the Facebook advertisements, Facebook help community product updates, send feedback. There are some questions which you have asked in future. If you have any problems, you can go to help center and everything available in this. Facebook will reply you according to your problem. Hope this video helped you to create a new Facebook page. If you have any questions, you can ask that question in comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.